What happened there was we had a group, what was it called? Well, whatever it was a group of us young people who sort of, I think we accidentally got conned into the Communist Party. In retrospect, no, not when we were there. And most of the young people that I was with, we knew each other anyhow, and we just did things that were nothing bizarre. We got called. We were later labeled as communists. In fact, I lost my position at MIT as a result of the what was that McCarthy thing?
The Red Scare.
Yeah. There was a committee that interviewed me, and all I could do was go check me off as being a communist. Oh, all right, fine. That's an interesting experience, because what happened was I was working on a defense project at MIT, and so anybody working on it for the Defense Department in that area, if I was somewhere else at MIT, that wouldn't have happened. But I got called up as I explained my communist leanings, and there was a committee hearing. It was a full-scale hearing. It was crazy, you know. It was McCarthyism again, just repeating itself. And so, all right, fine. I left MIT, but I made a lot of friends outside of MIT that were willing to take me on. So I went to work for a small company that was as a result of all of that. Because you see, what happened was a lot of the professors at MIT did not like what was going on. And they would help out people like myself, no matter what, and get me a job. So they did. Interesting. Yeah, you got to survive these political things as well as social things. But that was a big issue in those days. So I was okay, because I made out just fine afterwards. I decided I'd have nothing to do with the military anymore, even though I served 2 years, and they knew it too. So how you criticize somebody who served voluntarily in the military? You're going to yell at them saying you were a communist? Come on. I lived that experience.